Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our fifth and last lecture of first term. In the previous lecture, we discussed atmosphere. Atmosphere is surrounding our Earth from all sides in the form of a cover. Due to the gravitational force of Earth, atmosphere is attached to Earth from all sides. The life on our planet is due to this atmosphere. Today our topic is layered structure of atmosphere. The the atmosphere has four layers. The troposphere that we live in near the surface of the earth, the stratosphere that houses the ozone layer, the mesosphere, a colder and lower density layer with about 0.1% of the atmosphere, and the atmosphere, the top layer where the air is hot but very thin. Layered structure of atmosphere. There are four layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. You can see the layers in this diagram. Here we will discuss one by one about these layers. Troposphere. The layer near the surface of Earth is troposphere. All activities on Earth due to it. All climatic changes appear in this layer. For example, cloud formation, rain, wind and heat. The troposphere extends upward to about 10 km above sea level. Second layer is stratosphere. This layer is present above the troposphere. Huge amount of ozone gas is present in stratosphere. Above troposphere, this layer of stratosphere begins from 16 kilometers and ends at 50 kilometers. Third layer is mesosphere. This layer is present above the stratosphere. In this portion, temperature again decreases with height. This layer is from 50 to 80 km in the atmosphere. Fourth layer is thermosphere. Thermosphere extends from 80 km to the final boundary of atmosphere. In this portion of atmosphere, temperature increases with height. At the height of 350 km, the temperature of about 100 degrees centigrade is recorded. I hope you have understood the layer structure of atmosphere. Now we will discuss the difference between weather and climate. What is weather? The whole condition of temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind speed, air humidity and precipitation of a particular place at a particular time is known as weather. Climate. Climate is the average weather condition of a particular place for a long time. How does climate change over the Earth's surface? The atmosphere of Earth changes due to the activities of human beings. Humans make roads, buildings and dams, etc. to fulfill their needs. A specific amount of carbon dioxide is necessary for life on Earth, but the quantity of carbon dioxide is rapidly increasing in the world. Increase in the quantity of carbon dioxide and other dangerous gases in atmosphere are due to the smoke released during the use of energy sources, e.g., coal, oil, natural gas, etc. Carbon dioxide and other gases absorb the heat coming from Earth. It increases the temperature of atmosphere, which is harmful for life on Earth. Significance of ozone layer or importance of ozone layer. One of the atmospheric gases is ozone. It is produced and destroyed naturally. It is present in the upper portion of the atmosphere and it absorbs ultraviolet rays. Exposure to ultraviolet radiation can increase the risk of skin cancer and eye diseases. It absorbs ultraviolet rays and sends other sun rays to Earth after filtration. In this way, life is protected from harmful rays. If the quantity of ozone gas decreases, the ultraviolet rays will reach Earth, which is harmful for life. So, ozone is necessary for our protection. Here we will discuss causes of ozone depletion. Depletion means reduction. One of the main reasons of reduction or destruction of ozone gas is CFC gas, which is mixture of chlorofluorocarbon. This mixture enters the atmosphere and breaks the ozone gas. Human activities are also destroying ozone. Ozone gas CFC is used to keep refrigerator cool and is used in different sprays. CFC is released from such instrument and destroys ozone. Measures to overcome problem of ozone depletion. Number 1. Avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer due to their content or manufacturing process. Minimize the use of cars. The best transport option is urban, bicycle or walking. Don't use cleaning products that are harmful to environment and to us. Buy local products. In this way, you not only get fresh products, but you avoid consuming food that has traveled long distances. Maintain air conditioners as their malfunctions cause CFCs to escape into the atmosphere. I hope you have understood the all topics which I have discussed today. Now I am giving you a simple assignment. Question number 1. Discuss in detail the layers of atmosphere. Discuss in detail the change in climate on the Earth's surface. Describe the importance of ozone layer. Suggest the measures to control the reduction of ozone. Give short answers. Explain the difference between weather and climate. What is a mesosphere? Write down any two reasons for reduction in ozone. We have discussed all the topics which I have given in this assignment. You can do this easily. Thanks dear students. Allah Hafiz.